5 practical steps how to keep yourself positive throughout the day, maybe throughout your life. Very important and very simple. Anybody and everybody can practice it because during such a tough time like pandemic, like a lot of people losing their jobs, a lot of people are suffering financially. There are a lot of reasons to keep ourselves negative. There are a lot of things happening around us. There are a lot of worries, a lot of past or failures that keeps us in a negative zone. The first thing, the first and foremost thing, you have to have a morning rituals. You have to regulate your morning habits. Like you might be having a habit of waking up very late in the morning, and you might be having a habit of waking up and getting your phone and looking at your Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, or any your messages, WhatsApp. Or some people have a habit of going for a smoke. Some people have a habit of watching the news channel in the morning, early morning. So instead of that, you have to develop the habits such as yoga, such as exercise, going for a morning walk, or reading something positive, or doing some puja, affirmations. Okay, so things, planning for the day, okay, any kind of such activities. It's very important to do the first hour of the morning and the very first hour do which is creating a good thoughts in you rather than creating a negative thoughts. Second thing, attitude of gratitude. A lot of us we have n number of opportunities to say what we don't have, what we are not getting, what we have not done. But we forget our blessings in our life. We have a life, we are alive today. We are getting 3 times food. You have a job, or if you have a small business, you have a business, you have a family, you have your wife, you have your children, you have your parents, you have the house. Friend, you are healthy. Are you grateful for that? For that, first of all, why you are worrying about the things you don't have? First, recognize your blessings. God will only give you more blessings if you appreciate what He has given already. If you don't appreciate, so bad luck. So you will create more and more negative thoughts. In the long run, it is not going to help you anyway, and you will attract more and more such things only. So recognize your blessing. Have an attitude of gratitude. It's very important in life. A lot of people I see morning when I go to college, my other colleague will come and he say, okay, what a bad day. You start from the morning, from the first hour, you start complaining about another colleague, about the situation, about the salary, about the pandemic, about the admission. He starts with something negative. So you stay, if possible, stay away from those people. Okay, don't talk to them. Okay, avoid them if possible. Because first of all, if they are paying your salary, if you are having a job, if you are having a society around you, if you have people to talk, you should be grateful for that. Have an attitude of gratitude. Third thing, third very important thing is seva bhav. That is serving attitude. Okay, so we always want to be get we always, our mind is in such a way that we want to get help, we want to take something from others. So our mind is programmed in such a way about scarcity, about not satisfied inside, always wanting something. See, this always, the wanting something will always keeps you in misery. Instead of that, think like this: how can I do something for my college? How can I do something for my people today? How can I make that person happy? Okay, and don't go on pleasing those people. So you can, if anybody needs a help, might not be financially, it might be a moral support. If that person is depressed, if he's feeling not good, if he's not well, so ask about him, give him some encouragement.
if some person is going through some depression, so you can counsel them, or if you can teach your students, guide your student, any kind of help. It may be an education, it may be financial support. Sometime any poor guy, he's like any small something you can afford, you can give them a food, or you can go to some place where people are orphanage, you can help them. See, this is the highest form of happiness. It will not let you to think about anything negative in your world, so it will directly switch your state of mind, and you will start thinking how blessed you are. Okay. So fourth one is meditation. A lot of people have known about meditation, but they don't know the value of it. They know there is something called meditation exists, but they never give it a try. Why meditation? First of all, meditation is nothing that something you sit in a place and you close your eyes and start breathing. No, that's not the only meditation. Even if you do something and focus on that. For example, if you're reading a book and you are completely involved in it, you are researching something, you are involved in it, you are working on your project, you are completely involved in it, 100% focus. That is also a meditation. It's not only a breathing exercise, it's not something that yogi will do in the forest. Okay, it's like focusing your mind. This one part of meditation, this also meditation. And then controlling your thoughts, also meditation. See, our mind is like a monkey, it jumps every single minute, every single second. It's very difficult to control. I know, I can understand, it's very very difficult to control, but still you can control. There are some techniques. You can just go, you can refer some guru or go to YouTube, and there are tons of videos available, 5 minutes, 10 minutes videos. You can start learning about meditation techniques, because calming your mind is very very important. So you should rule your mind, don't let your mind to rule you. Very very important. Okay, mind is should be in your control. Okay, sometimes negative thoughts comes, don't let those negative thoughts to depress you. Instead of control those thoughts. Okay, you have to attack them, you have to do something which is against. Okay, the last thing, association, power of association. See, your environment is always powerful than your willpower. However, see, when you are growing spiritually or growing financially, growing in your social circle, when you are in the beginning stage, you are like a plant, a small plant, and the plant needs to be protected from animals, from anybody who can stamp on them. It has to be protected, otherwise an animal come and it will eat it. When you are growing, if you don't have that courage to protect yourself, at least protect yourself. For that, what you can do, you can go to an association where you will get a positive people. There is a tradition in Indian culture that we call this as satsang. It's a very beautiful word. So you meet people, you have to go out of your comfort zone, go to some place where you will have a positive people, where people thinks about doing good to somebody, doing good to their life, doing good to the society. It may be some social organization, an NGO, or it might be an ashram where there is a Guruji, there a lot of devotees are there. It might be sometimes it might be a temple also, or it might be anything that has to do with positive thinking. Maybe you have your own small business, there are people working under you, and you can go and encourage them, or your own team of group of people who are working on a project, go and spend time with them. Okay, so power of, even if you don't get anything, read a good books. Association of books is very very important than anything else. Okay, so books, watch a movie which can inspire you, where you can learn something. Not only entertainment, of course entertainment is needed, but don't get addicted to entertainment. You have to learn something out of it. Okay, anything that can give you a positive association. So these are the 5 tips to keep yourself positive, and they are more powerful than anything. The first thing is, what is the first thing? morning, do some, regulate your morning habits. Okay, do something which will uplift you. Second one, attitude of gratitude. Third, seva bhav, serving others. Okay, this is the highest form of pleasure. Fourth, meditation, calm your mind, focus on something which can take your attention, something which is positive. Fifth, association, power of association. Associate with people who are positive, who are growing, who want to do something in their life, and who can also help you. Okay, power of association is very very important. And it is proved your environment is very powerful. See, however positive you are, the five people around you are negative, you will automatically become negative. So very important, choose a good environment. So this is for this, and thank you for watching my video. And if you really like this video, share and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.